So never go to Jamaica and ask for directions, okay? Especially if you go to the rural part of Jamaica.
General.
The rural part of Jamaica, they can tell you, go down this and go around this and go around at the corner, and then you go up a Mass Jew shop, and then you go around a Miss Pam, and then you go down the gully, and then turn right round at the church. Turn right round at the church, and then you see one whole heap of people around the same all day.
Hi guys and happy Monday. Yeah, it's a new week. This weekend was good. Veterans Day, well, that was a Sunday, so just feel like a regular day. They should put every day like this on a Monday. I mean, when it falls on the weekend, they should delay it or do anything to make the day off on a Monday, because now it's Sunday. Is the same thing. We went to the park, but it was still open and like nothing happened, and then now we're tired and we're going to work, and oh well, happy new week for all of you. I hope you all doing well. We're good here. I hope babe is feeling better and she will be able to entertain a lot with you. So me, I'm going to work. I wish all of you a new week, and I'll catch you guys when I come back. Enjoy the vlog. Bonjour toi. You have a new haircut?
Yeah.
Come, show your new haircut. Wow, Tala is pretty. You're pretty?
Yeah.
You going to school?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, you enjoy your day at school, right?
You're gonna have fun at school?
Yeah.
You're gonna be a good boy?
Yeah.
And you're gonna be strong?
Yes.
And brave?
Yes.
Good.
And you can see now my hair is pretty.
Yeah, your hair is pretty and you're looking very handsome. Right?
Mama.
Yes? Yes?
I'm gonna say thank you to Lina.
Lena is your friend?
Yes.
Okay. And you're gonna listen to your teacher, okay?
Okay.
Good boy. Alright, let's go have a good day now. Right? 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 Okay. Press the gate. Good job. Open. Bravo. Go on. Come on. Give me a hand.
Oh, down.
Down. Give me hands. Hi Faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day and I just dropped my baby boy to school. Of course, you guys know that in the mornings it's very easy for me to take Tyler to school because there's never a day that he's not excited to go to school. So taking him to school each morning is a breeze for me. No trouble at all. Can see that he was a little bit tired this morning than the usual mornings because he went to the playground yesterday evening in the afternoon, so he was pretty worn out from that. Let me cross the road real quick. Okay bitches, since you don't want to stop. French people is the worst when it comes on to pedestrians. It doesn't really matter how long you stand at the pedestrian crossing. If you don't step out in the road, they're really not stopping for you to cross. Oh my gosh, it is so annoying. But babe always tell me that in France, when you're at the pedestrian crossing, you're to just step out in the road. But as a Jamaican, ain't nobody stepping out in no road when the car is coming. I need to see that car come at an abrupt stop for me before I proceed to walk out into that road. No, because I don't trust these people and their rule. I'm not walking out into no car and tell them, hey, I'm coming, y'all better stop. I hate to when babe do it. Even when babe and I walking, I'm like, honey, you go. Because this mama ain't about to follow you to walk out into no street, okay? But it doesn't matter how long you stand up there, they're not stopping for you unless you literally put one foot out and start walking across the street. Then they stop. That rule sucks. I hate it. And it just gets me pissed off every single time. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new day and hopefully you guys are doing well. It's a little bit chilly outside today. It's very cloudy, so I can already tell that it's going to be a rainy day. Let me show you guys what it's looking like today. Clouds and more clouds and very wet, as you guys can see. Very, very wet. So I am going to head back home, get me some breakfast, and try and figure out my routine for today. But hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys at some point through the day. Make sure you guys have a productive day, and it doesn't really matter whatever it is that you are doing today. Have fun doing it, and let no one stop that big bright smile from being on your face throughout the entire day. Love you guys. I finished making dinner, and if you guys are wondering what did I just make, so in this one I make some pasta and ham smoked ham for Tyler and Babe because I don't want that. And that's gonna go with some broccoli and carrots. And then for me, I go ahead and make some delicious pepper chicken soup. So there we have it. Dinner is all done, and I am gonna have a bowl of this soup right now because I can't wait until dinner time. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this for both lunch and dinner because you girls hungry. All right, you guys, so I'm done in the kitchen for today.
Il est où Tyler? Parce que toi t'es déjà Un, deux, trois. Allez, papa il travaille. Walk out. You don't think you look tall now?
He's getting big.
He's a tall boy. A tall boy.
Dad, you're gonna fall. Be careful. He's so rough.
What you wanna do now?
He's gonna kill you. Oh my God, look where he's sitting. On your head, on your face. Oh my God, hilarious. Baby, careful him fall.
What? I'm a
Get him, Ty. Get him, Ty. Get him, Ty. Get him, Ty. Get him, Tyler. Get him, Tyler. Get him. Get him, Ty. Take the stroke your whole time.
Not too big. I'm going with Mama. And I don't feeling well.
Tu donnes à papa le chocolat?
Non.
C'est fini?
Moi, je suis très mal au ventre.
Tu as mal au ventre?
Oui.
Tu vas aller dormir?
Parce que tu veux faire ça avec maman.
Tyler, the notification shout out.
Notification shout out goes to
Jennifer Lewis
Jennifer Lewis
and Brenda Betham.
Brenda Betham.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Tell them night night you're going to bed.
Now that I'm going to bed.
See. Oh,
Oh,
what did you say? What do you say?
excuse me.
Ty, what do you say?
It is me.
Tell them see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
You're hilarious.
Jesus say yes.
Nobody can say no.
If Jesus say yes.
Nobody can say no.
If Jesus say yes.
Nobody can say no.
If Jesus say yes.
Why you just burst out start singing that?
Mm,
I'm not worried.
By the fence.
'cause I know you are.
Almaty. Bye.
Oh, anyways.
What was the answer?
Huh?
What was the
Because I
answer?
know you are guiding me.
Okay. Guiding me.
Where you lead me, Lord, I will go.
And I belong to you, 'cause it all belongs to me.
You're hilarious.
Alright.
We're coming on to end today's vlog.
Look at Ludo face.
And give you guys the Jamaican and the French expression for today. And
You get it?
what's the French expression for today?
French expression is, it just come to my mind. C'est la fin des haricots.
What does that mean?
It's the end of the bean.
Is the end of the bean or is the end of the bean?
Bean.
Okay.
Green bean.
Mm-hmm.
Simply mean like is the end. It's the end. Like, yeah, it's just a kind of way to say, yeah, is the end. There's no exit. The end of the bean. There's no two doors. It's just one exit. There's one end. It's the end.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No.
Yes, I get
C'est
it.
la fin des haricots.
C'est la fin des haricots.
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 Okay.
Because the R, you want to show me
No,
up?
it's the H at the beginning.
Alright, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today, I'm gonna throw in something that Jamaicans does a lot. If you go to Jamaica and ask a Jamaican for direction, oh, you're in for a surprise. Because if, for example, if you ask a Jamaican, can you tell me where is the nearest mall? They're gonna tell you, you can't, you have to just go down there, sir, and go around the corner around there, sir, and then you will see some whole heap of people, and that's why mall day. You understand anything I just
Of
said?
course, I understand every little thing. That's at the
And
corner,
then-
you turn on the
then
corner,
they're gonna
down
wait.
the so, and then at the end, you see a lot of people. That's where the mall is.
Then they're gonna tell you that it might just around the corner around there, so when they say the mall is just around the corner,
It's just after
it's-
5 corner.
It's after 5 corner. So never go to Jamaica and ask for directions, okay? Especially if you go to the rural part of Jamaica.
General.
The rural part of Jamaica, they can tell you, go down this so and go around this and go around at the corner,
there's
and then
only
you go
one
up a
road.
Mass Jew shop, and then you go around a Miss Palm, and then you go down the gully, and
turn
then
right at the
turn
church.
right round at the church.
Right at the
Turn
church.
right round at the church, and then you see one whole heap of people around the same all day. So, well, you just get a whole heap of Jamaican expression and show me won't be able to repeat all of that. So I'm just simply saying that. Yes, Tyler? Huh?
I don't know
Okay.
if him pee.
Then stop the laughing. I'm simply giving you guys direction to go to the mall. If you want to go to the mall, just go around the street and around the
Map
road.
me.
Map me.
Map me.
And that's just how we give direction in Jamaica. To give direction, you're going to say, go round the corner and go down a gully and down this one and round this one.
And wear your helmet.
Anyway, you guys, so there you have a bunch of ways how Jamaican give directions. There's been a popular video going around on the internet of a little Jamaican girl giving direction. If you guys watch that, you'll laugh from now till tomorrow morning. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression of today. You get it?
Like, shake it.
Yes, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and please turn on your notification. And if you are OG fave or you are new and you don't get your notification every day, just come to our channel every day. There'll be a video there for you guys, trust me, because YouTube is tripping. Catch and keep up with us. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.